Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the new Be Happy box with Amy Tangerine, and you're going to want to stay till the end. This is the second Be Happy box that I purchased. I did not get a hold of the first one, but I did go ahead and grab the second one, and I was so bummed that I had missed the first one. Look at this. How pretty is this paper? Happiness looks good on you. Okay, there we go. And look at all of this. How pretty. So this just shows you everything that's included inside of your box. It comes with a phone grip. How cute is that? Smile with the rainbow on the back. Very cute. Next, we have this desk calendar, so let's just open it up. And the cover says, Craft a Life You Love. The Year at a Glance 2019. It has a bunch of happy. Make, do, dream, create, share, thrive, grow, believe, love, connect, live, give, heal, go. Wow, just so inspirational. Inspiration is all around us if we are willing to look for it. I love all this watercolor, so pretty, and that's my birthday month, so even prettier. Do all the things you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can. How cute is that? Plan a happy life. Gorgeous. Create beautiful things that bring joy and happiness. And then we have 2020 at a glance. I am going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. Wow. Together is my favorite place to be. Beautiful. Today I choose calm over chaos, serenity over stress, peace over perfection, grace over grit, faith over fear. Wow, these quotes are just amazing. Always practice reckless optimism and kindness. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Cute with the gold foil. Happiness looks good on you. And that is it. And like I said, this is a desk calendar, so it'll just pop open and just sit on your desk. So pretty. And then we have the sticker book. So let's get into this. Let's see. These quotes have that clear backing on them, and so do these. I love the spray paint effect that it has, and this one has the white backing to it, so these are not clear. Then we have the boxed stickers, some of the washi over here, and this one has a bit of gold foil on there, some headers, and these are clear, and then some more of those amazing quotes and stickers this time, some days of the week and numbers, then back to some boxes with the washi on the side. And then we have these hearts. I love the pattern on them. They're so cute, and these are clear as well. And that is it for the sticker book. And then we have this dashboard. I am in love with it. It is so pretty, and it's not clear, but it's not white either. It has like that frosted look to it. I love it. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Amazing. I love that. Then we have this note paper for big ideas, and it's numbered 1 through 5, and it's just in that beautiful watercolor. I love it. So then we have the washi, and let's just take a look at it. It has this rainbow one, and then it has the black, and it has, say, the crosses and triangles with some circles. And then we have the rainbow as well, but this one has sayings in it. Create, dream, inspire, and they're just so pretty. Can't wait to use these in a spread. And then we have the planner on plastic discs, and this is the first time that they've ever included a planner on a Be Happy box, so I thought that was great. How pretty is this for important dates And in July, we have Always Practice Reckless Optimism and Kindness, and the monthly view. And this is a vertical planner, and I love that the boxes are neutral with the rainbow heading up here. Beautiful. August is Together is My Favorite Place to Be. And September, Focus on the Bright Side of Life. Inspiration is all around us if we are willing to look for it. And then we have Joy on this mustard colored divider. Beautiful. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Then we have all the wording over here. Beautiful. I'm loving all of this writing on here. Very cute. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Plan a happy life. I almost want to just take this and frame it. I am in love with it, and it has that spray paint effect on the background. Oh my God, I love it so much. Let's see. The time is now. Isn't this just so pretty? I am definitely going to frame or do something. These are just gorgeous. And so we have some gold foil crosses. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Perfect. Just perfect. And the last divider, create beautiful things that bring joy and happiness. How pretty is this in the white background with all the colors? I am seriously going to frame all of them. They're just so pretty. And then the notes page, like how pretty is the border? I love it. And that is the planner. And finally, we have what I was loving about this Be Happy box, which is this tote bag. Oh, I just love it. I was so bummed that I didn't get the first Be Happy box because it had one of the tote bags. But once I saw that this one had another tote bag, it was done. I just had to get it. And look at this. How beautiful is this? Plan a Happy Life, The Happy Planner, and Amy Tangerine. Beautiful. I love this so much. And I also wanted to mention that I ordered a second Be Happy box, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway over on my Instagram account. So please head over there if you would like to win a Be Happy box. Everything is listed over there. So make sure you're following me. All the rules are going to be there. And good luck to everyone. I hope you enter. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephany Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.